Okay, hello everyone. Yeah, this is another question as regards how to design an observational study. Right, so let's dive quickly into the question. Okay, now, Mr. Daniel, a psychology researcher, is interested in investigating gender difference in helping behavior. Gender difference, we're talking about obviously male and female, right? Now, in public setting. So, this obviously shows it's like a natural environment, right? Now, it decides to conduct an observational study to examine whether male or female are more likely to help a person in need. Design a study to test this hypothesis. All right, so here you have to outline your paragraphs. Paragraph one, what are you going to talk about? IV, which is going to be gender, the biological sex of the individual providing help. It can be either male or female. All right, and if you want to go beyond that, then that is left to you. Okay, so DV now, helping behavior. This is defined as whether a participant engage in helping act. Okay, now assisting a person who drops, you can actually try as much as possible to make this as detailed and specific as possible. All right, assisting a person who drops their belongings. Okay, so or holding a door open for someone carrying heavy bags. All right. So that depends on how you want to go about it. But please and please be creative. Creativity is very important. Okay. In a public setting, just think which kind of help can people need that you are going to raise stooge that will act those behaviors, and then you will try to rate if people will help or not. Okay, or you can just create someone that is going to fall, and then you will see if someone help the person stands up or not. All right, something like that. Just like the study of Pilavin, subway Samaritan. Okay, that is also an observational study. Okay, so operational definition: helping behavior will be recorded as a binary measure, that is either help or no help. And this is now a way of trying to quantify it, either help or no help, as simple as that. So it's a way of encoding behavior. Okay, encoding behavior into simple terminologies now, and categorized based on the type of help provided. Either, okay, you can further do this, that's left for you: verbal assistance or physical assistance. That depends on you. All right, you can decide not to use that. So your help is just focusing on physically raising the person up or physically helping the person to open the door. That depends on you, right? Now, method and procedure: type of observation. Okay, naturalistic observation conducted, that is in a public space. All right, shopping mall, park, or train station. That depends on you. Pick one that you're going with in your study. All right, try as much as possible to also include more types of observation. Is if you're going to use, okay, since we are going to encode the behavior into help or no help now, that means you are also using structured observation. Can you see that? Okay, you can also decide to talk about non-participant observation will be observed. That basically depends on you, but at least talk about two types of observation, which means your knowledge of the different types of observation is very important: natural versus controlled observation. Okay, participant versus non-participant observation. Okay, which other one, participant and non-participant. Okay, okay. Yeah, I can. Those are the ones I can remember for now. But also, you can check my other video on research method. I think I spoke about all those types of observation there, so you can talk about all those different situations. Okay, different types of observation. Okay, yeah. We also have covert and versus overt observation. That's another type. So you can decide to talk about it. In this situation, I think covert is good. So choose anyone and try to talk about around them in your content. Okay, now method and procedure type of, okay, I mentioned that earlier. All right, you should also have sampling method event. Okay, yeah, how you're going to recruit sample. Okay, sample in this station are basically people that are moving around that place at the particular point in time. Okay, so this is like an opportunity sampling. Okay, observer and reliability. You can also have someone that will be observing the number of participants that will be involved, so that you'll be able to know those that help and those that do not help. That is important. Okay, because you're not just recording those that are helping alone. All right, you are recording those that are just moving past the event as well. Now, observer and reliability. To train observer, that depends on you. You can do that to establish rate reliability. You can decide to ignore it and talk about something different entirely. Okay, recording data observer will use the standardized coding sheet. Okay, this is the okay. Now moving to ethical consideration, informed consent. Since it's a covert, okay, you might not be able to inform them. However, participant anonymity will be protected. That is, you can use different maybe acronyms to represent their name. So there is actually no informed consent, but you can talk about how you want to go about it. Okay, right to withdraw, since it's also they are not involved. Okay, by maintaining autonomy, you are able to meet, or let me say, cater for that. Minimizing harm. All right, no direct interference between the person that is acting as your stooge to act as someone needing help, and okay, and the participant, like trying to harm them in one way or the other. So you try to reduce that, and you ensure that the person, the stooge, also follows a standard behavior, standardized behavior. They can go through a script, understand all the things they have to do. Okay, so you can develop a script for them. You can mention that in your outline. Okay, so quantitative analysis, you can helping behavior can be recorded using chi-square test. Okay, or you can also talk about calculating the mean, the numbers of helping behavior. All right, and then you do the mean figure. That depends on you, depending on your knowledge about all this analytical testing terminologies. Okay, to ensure you compare this and this, so you can just record the numbers of help. All right, and you calculate the mean. Okay, and then you record the table. Okay, if you can also memorize certain things like this, it's very good as well. Okay, the chi-square. We've also spoken about the um, um, which other one? Aha, we've spoken about correlation coefficient for correlational study. All right, and we've also spoken about t-test. Okay, the t-test that can be used to compare between two different conditions. Okay, to calculate their mean. You can also use the same thing for here too. It's fine. So just at least keep like 2 or 3 in your mind. Keep for correlation and keep one that can be used to calculate mean, and that's all. You're good to go. All right, now quantitative analysis. Okay, you can note on qualitative, you can note other situational factors that can be responsible. All right, and then you thematically analyze that by encoding them too. All right, please, if you're using a quantitative data, no, qualitative data, talk about thematic analysis, please, very important. All right, ensuring validity, you can use, okay, iterator reliability, you can use this as statistics. That depends on you, but it's not really important. You can just compare their result, okay, for similarity. If it is similar, then you're good. But if you want to go to key terminologies, you can use all those kind of testing. All right, so in your response, you just simply join the outlines together. Okay, Dr. Daniel aimed to investigate gender difference. Okay, in this, the independent variable is gender, categorized by this. All right, so you can just go through this. Because of the length of the video, I won't be talking much on them. All right. Okay, so you can go through the introduction of variables. Everything has been rewritten to join those words together. Method of and procedure, ethical consideration, okay, as well as the method of analysis, and then you're good to go. All right, so I hope this is helpful. Okay, I wish you all the best in your preparation, okay, and in your study, and in the bid to deepen your knowledge in psychological research. All right, so stay tuned for more videos, and ensure you subscribe to my channel and you like my videos. I wish you all the best. Goodbye.